How to download a Bereal. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to download a Bereal. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you've posted a Bereal on the Bereal app and you'd like to download it to your phone to view it later, what you need to do is, of course, open up the Bereal app and then find the Bereal that you'd like to download. So you can either do the latest one that's here on my friends page, or tap on your profile icon in the top right hand corner and then go ahead and look through all of your memories and find the one that you'd like to download. But I'm just going to do the one here that's on the my friends page, so I'm just going to tap on that Bereal. And as you can see at the bottom, there's options to share this Bereal on your social media accounts. Just above that, there's a little download button. So if you just tap on download, this is going to download the Bereal and it will be saved in your gallery. So if you just navigate over to your gallery, you'll see here I now have an album called Bereal. So if I just tap on that, you'll see that I've downloaded the Bereal to my gallery. And that's what it takes to download a Bereal. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.